Modern machining operations continue to evolve at a rapid pace. Productivity gains are driven by the integration of precision, speed, and machine versatility. But as production intensifies, so does airborne mist, which can impact air quality, visibility, and overall machine performance. So how are you managing it? Meet the Donaldson Stratos Mist Collector, a new standard in mist control, built to handle today's demanding manufacturing environments. The Stratos Mist Collector was developed with your operation's success in mind, combining industry-leading design, the latest filter media technology, and an intuitive operator interface to deliver a mist collector engineered for efficiency. The Stratos Mist Collector supports exceptional contaminant collection across a wide range of challenging continuous duty applications and industries. Whether you're machining metal, building vehicles, assembling electronics, or processing food, the Stratos can help maintain a clean environment, protect equipment, and keep your operation running with confidence. At the center of the system is the intuitive Pro OS touchscreen controller, which provides real-time monitoring of filter life, airflow, temperature, and pressure. The digital airflow control helps maintain consistent performance, while the LED indicator lets you check system status at a glance. With clear, on-demand insights, you can take control of your operation. The Control Flow Inlet technology intentionally directs airflow to enhance drainage, providing efficient collection for both intermittent and continuous duty operation. The high-efficiency EC motors and digital VFD control automatically maintain the set airflow, reducing energy use and helping lower your total cost of ownership. The Stratos Mist Collector also features Syntec XP media, engineered for advanced emissions control and designed for longevity in the most demanding environments. The result is a system engineered for long-term reliability, not just short-term performance. As manufacturing continues to evolve, your mist collection system should evolve with it. Backed by more than 250,000 global installations over 30 years, no other manufacturer is more capable or trusted to solve your dust, fume, and mist collection challenges than Donaldson. The Donaldson Stratos Mist Collector, taking mist collection to new heights.